Leshan company has been in operation for over 30 years, and our success is definitely not due to luck. It is driven by technological innovation that has earned industry recognition, a trusted brand that puts customers at ease, and exceptional service. Customers choose us for our value for money, and their sustained profitability relies on our cost control solutions. In all these aspects, Leshan blow molding machines have consistently delivered. Balanced mold clamping design, two-plate electric clamping, and electric segmented clamping. Utilizing elastic cut technology, the plastic from the mold seam is transferred to the area with the greatest stretch, achieving uniform thickness. This is paired with a pre-sealing cutting device. High movement speed, short forming time, space saving. 65 to 90 chemical drums produced per hour, product conveyor belt, smooth operation, high efficiency. Symmetrical and uniform thickness with a tolerance of plus or minus 15%.